Welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of selections. This is the second part of this permutations and combinations videos. What is a selection or a combination? Let's take a couple of examples. Suppose if I have three persons by name A, B, C. Out of these three people, if I want to select two, how many different selections we have? We can select AB, we can select AC, or we can select BC. So we have three selections. Or we have three different combinations. Selections and combinations are one and the same. Now, for example, if I have four people A, B, C, D. If I want to select again two people, what are the different combinations possible or different selections? One combination can be AB, AC, AD, or it can be BC, or it can be BD or CD. There are six selections or six combinations possible. But now we cannot afford to list like this. If it is three people or four people, we can afford to list out like this. If there are say 10 persons and if I want to select three people, we can't write all possible combinations. Then how are we going to take up? There is a formula. Here we are selecting two people out of three people, means we say 3C2. A combination of two out of three. Here we are selecting two people out of four, means rather we are looking for a combination of two people out of four, means we say 4C2. So how do we calculate this? Means there is a formula. The formula is number of ways of selecting R items out of N items is NCR. This NCR equals to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. For example, if I take the earlier example, selecting two people out of three means we say 3C2. If I write 3C2, 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. It is 3 factorial by 3 minus 2, 1. 1 factorial into 2 factorial means it is 3 into 2 into 1 by 1. This is 2 into 1. You can see the answer is 3. Or 4C2 means 4 factorial by 4 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial means it is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 4 minus 2, 2 factorial is 2 into 1. Similarly, 2 factorial is 2 into 1. You can see 2 2's 4, 4 gets cancelled. My answer is 6. I just asked you, how many selections are there? If I want to select 3 people out of 10, I said 10C3. So 10C3, obviously we have to use formula. We can't write all the list there. If I apply this formula 10C3, what is 10C3? Selecting 3 persons out of 10. So it will be 10 factorial by 10 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. If you observe here, see 10 factorial by 7 factorial into 3 factorial means 10 factorial means 1 to 10, 7 factorial means 1 to 7. So 1 to 7 will get cancelled. What will be left over is 10 into 9 into 8. See what I am saying is this 7 to 1 here, and in this 7 factorial 7 to 1 will get cancelled, I am saying, into 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. See this gets cancelled. That's why I am writing 10 factorial by 7 factorial means 1 to 7 gone means 10 into 9 into 8 by 3 into 2 into 1. That is for this 3 factorial. You can see 3 3's, 2 4's, 3 4's 12, 12 10's 120. Right? This is about selecting R items out of N items, which we call NCR. A few important points on these selections. First one, factorial 0 is 1. So factorial 0 value is 1. It's not 0. Second one is NC0 equals to 1. See, we said NCR equals to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. What happens here? N factorial by N minus R. R is 0 means N minus 0, N minus 0 will be N only. N factorial into 0 factorial. As I said, N factorial gets cancelled. Factorial 0 is 1. That's why we say it can be NC0 can be equal to 1. right? Now similarly NC n equals to 1, same thing happens. NC n means it is n factorial by n minus n factorial into n factorial, means this gets cancelled, n minus n 0 factorial 0, that is 1, it will be 1. And one more important point is NCR equals to NC n minus r. For example, if I take NC, say, let us say 9C5 equals to, as per this rule, I am saying 9C, 9 minus 5, that is 9C4. Let me show you. If I take 9C5, if I apply this NCR formula, it will be 9 factorial by 9 minus 5, 4 factorial into 5 factorial. That's about NCR, that is 9C5. If I take 9C4, 9 factorial by 9 minus 4, 5 factorial into 4 fact. Are they not same? Yes. So that's why we have, this is a very useful rule, NCR equals to NCn minus r. Suppose if I take 10C7, if I take 10C7 is nothing but 10C, 10 minus 7, 3. In the previous case, we calculated 10C3, so 10C7 value is also same, right? So these are few important basic concepts of selections or combinations. In the next session, we will discuss different types of questions on selections or combinations. Students, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos on quantitative aptitude. Thank you.